Hello guys. Today in today's video we're going to talk about how to close a work order or a PB01 work order when um when goods movement hasn't been done. That means items some of the items that you put on order, some of the shortages you put on that work order are not in yet. So when I open the work order, I will show you the difference between the ones that came in and the ones that are not in yet. And when I say the ones that came in, the ones that you received from your SSA and you've already done your goods movement. So let's get into it. So basically, we'll go to our IW38 from our unit supply menu. As a tradition, I just delete the first field for the date, put in my order type, which is the PB01. Then I put in my UIC at the main work center. Then you scroll down to the layout and change the layout to IW39 PB01. And you execute. So now I'm going to select an item that by the status I can clearly look at the status and system status and see that some of the goods movements, some of the items are in. I received it, I consumed it, or I gave it to whoever I ordered the item for. So now you can see on your component, the stuff that you put on order. You click on the complete business awaiting what it will tell you goods movement required. You can also go on order, come to functions, go to complete, go to technical complete, and it will still tell you goods movement required. So now we're going to go back and come back in so that will explain what when you open your component, what you're going to see that will differentiate between the ones that came in and you did a good movement for it and the ones that you didn't do a good movement for. So as you can see, when you check the batch column, you can see there's one that is gray and there's one that is white. The white one means that item didn't come in, whether it's still on order or it's not in yet. It can also be that you didn't release it at all or you didn't put it on order at all. So looking at it, you can see right here that it was released immediately, which means everything was put on order, just that the item is not in yet. So I will select that item, then delete that row. So before you can actually close this order, you need to delete that item. Then before that, you have to save it. Then after saving it, you can close the order from here, but I want you to go through the right process. So you double click again, you go to the component, you see that the item is not over there. Then you complete business right there. Now let's go back in and see if that order is still in there. So we refresh and let's see if Bravo 7 is still there. Nope, Bravo 7 is gone now. So that is how you close a work order that some of the item came in and others also didn't come in. And this is going to be our video all for today. Thank you guys for watching.